Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Aadhar number and the mobile must be active and SIM enabled. Once done, open Google Pay and accept basic permissions. Make sure location and SMS access are enabled so verification messages arrive. Next, choose the bank account setup option and enter your Aadhar when prompted. This starts UID-based identity checks. You do this now to allow OTP delivery and seamless account linking before moving to the deeper verification steps. You will now run the Aadhar verification flow. Choose the Verify with Aadhar option and type the 12-digit number carefully, then request the OTP. If your device supports biometric eKYC, choose that for faster processing. Once you receive the OTP, enter it immediately. The app will fetch your name and address. Make sure the displayed bank account and name match your records, since mismatches can delay transactions. After confirming, proceed to link your preferred bank account to Google Pay. Finish by creating or entering your UPI PIN so payments can be authorized. Choose a secure PIN and confirm it twice. Once done, perform a small test transfer to verify the link and observe the confirmation. Also enable fingerprint or app PIN for everyday security. If anything goes wrong, like missing OTPs or Aadhar mismatch, first recheck your SIM and network, retry the OTP, and only then contact your bank or UID support for resolution. This usually fixes most verification issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.